Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. I got a Coleman lantern going right here, and I got my Weber Smokey Joe just about fired up. Gonna do some lemon garlic pepper shrimp. It is New Year's Eve 2018. Tomorrow is gonna be the first day of 2019. And we got some gumbo going on, shrimp and andouille gumbo. All right, this is not about that recipe. And I got some lemon garlic pepper shrimp in my Outset shrimp pan. And I love that thing, y'all. Easy to do, and the shrimp are delicious. Weber Smokey Joe. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. All right, let's first take a look at the ingredients and the equipment. I'm gonna be using this Outset shrimp iron or shrimp grill pan or whatever. I'm gonna put it on the grill and the shrimp go in here, and I really like the way it sears each side of the shrimp as they rest in there, and it cooks well. But if you don't have one of those, you could certainly use just a cast iron skillet like this one. You'd have to turn the shrimp over probably or stir them around for a little more even cooking. All right, the ingredients. I'm gonna be using about 22 of these shrimp. This is 16 to 20 count shrimp. I bought 3 pounds. The rest are gonna go in gumbo, and I'm gonna take 22 of them out for this recipe to put in this shrimp pan. The only thing I don't like about it, it's not an even 2 dozen. All right, and I'm gonna be using lemon garlic pepper. This is the Dr. Doors brand. It was sent to me by a subscriber. It's pretty good, but you can find lemon garlic pepper in your grocery store. You can make your own, you know, whatever you want to do. I've got this, so I'm using it. I'm also going to be using a little bit more lemon with some lemon juice, probably half that lemon. Maybe I might use all that lemon and half this stick of butter. All right. All right, folks. That is going to be shrimp and andouille gumbo. Got the andouille in there. The shrimp goes in last. We're going to put the shrimp in here in just a few minutes. Give it another 5 minutes. Of course, there's white rice cooking inside that thing there. All right, let's get the shrimp ready for this lemon garlic shrimp in the grill. I got the charcoal already going. All right, peeled and deveined all those shrimp. That's the stuff that's going into gumbo. I'm probably going to cut those in half because these are not exactly gumbo-sized shrimp. These are the ones that go in the grill pan. And I'm using lemon garlic pepper. I'm using the Dr. Doors brand. It was sent to me by a subscriber, not by the Dr. Doors company. I'll tell you what, it's really good. You can use a lemon garlic pepper from the store, or you could use lemon pepper and add garlic to it. Or you can make your own. Got to tell you, my buddy Rico, at Rico's place, you know, Rico the tie-dyed cowboy, he just put up a video where he made some of this stuff. He had lemon garlic pepper, and he had some paprika in there and onion, and he had all kind of other stuff. There's all kind of good stuff in here too. So if you want to make your own, I'm gonna leave a link to Rico's channel down there, and I wish you would go and check out my buddy Rico. So we're just gonna pour this all over the shrimp. Make sure it's coated. If I pick that bag back up, I'll pick it up with a non-gloved hand. Just make sure it's all coated with this lemon pepper and fill on the counter. That's all right, we'll wipe the counter up. Just make sure they're all coated, all right? All right, I'm gonna cut up about half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna meet you out there at the grill. You know, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. A little bit more to each one. Get back on that plate. All right, guys, see you at the grill. All right, it's New Year's Eve. We've got the chimney going. Got the Coleman lantern going, the old dual fuel right there. And so you can see, and there are a lot of folks around me. I live in a rural area, a lot of folks shooting off fireworks. I got a big field to shoot off fireworks, and I thought about buying some, but it's been raining all day and it's so soggy. I don't know, I might go later and buy some. It's driving the dogs crazy. So anyway, I don't know if you know this, but if you turn a charcoal chimney upside down, a Weber charcoal chimney upside down, you get just enough coals for a Weber Smokey Joe. Just about perfect. Now we're gonna set this on there just like that. Let me turn this a little around a little bit. Gonna set it on there just like that. Let it start getting hot. Shut up, dogs. I guess you missed that. The camera was too high. But anyway, I put the Outset grill pan right there. They got a Roman candle going off over there. Outset grill pan right there, and set it right there on top of the Weber Smokey Joe. And I'm going to put some butter. I've got 8 pats of butter here, and I'm going to put them on each side, just about like that, and let that start melting in there real well. Do the same on the other side. that ought to just about get butter everywhere. All right, once that butter's melted, we're gonna put the shrimp in. All right, that butter's begun to melt. I'm gonna pour it so it gets into that side, all down that side and all down this side, and lifting it with the Beast Armor gloves because it's hot. Sorry about the fireworks, but hey, that makes it fun. It's New Year's Eve, all right? I might go get some. I don't know. I might not want to get my shoes wet. I might not even be up at midnight. Now, we're just going to lay these shrimp in here just like this. In each one. I'm really enjoying the shrimp pan, but if you don't have one, you could use a cast iron skillet. You might want to stir and flip the shrimp at some point. But these jumbo shrimp fit in here perfectly, and it browns up the sides real well, and I really like the way it does. Really enjoying it. All right, well, the fireworks are over, so I've made several recipes with it, but I've only used it about twice on camera, and had a comment from a commenter earlier this week. Said he got one. I don't know if it was for Christmas or not. Christmas, of course, was last week, as this is New Year's Eve. But he said he got one. He'd like to see more recipes. I've been wanting to do this one for a while. It's the second or third time we've done this recipe with this shrimp pan, so it's time to get it on video. All right, now once all the shrimp are in there, go to the next step. I'm just going to take a lemon. I'll kind of roll it around in my hands. And I'm just going to squeeze lemon juice all over these shrimp. So they got that butter down there, and now they've got some lemon juice. Doesn't matter if a seed gets in there, we're not going to eat the seed anyway. All right, you know, I tested the thing, I thought it fit, but it doesn't really fit. Kind of rocks, but you know what, it stays over, so it'll hold some of the heat in. We'll let it go for about 5 minutes. It's been just about 5 minutes. And they're cooking well. Sorry, it's nighttime. We got that Coleman lantern going. I don't think they're quite done yet, but they're getting there. They're getting there. Let's go another minute. All right, been about another minute. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're just going to test them with that. And I can tell they're done. They look done. Yeah, 167. They are done. Well done. Maybe a little overdone. Let's bring them in. Just like that with the Beast Armor. Well, there they are. Inside in the light. I may have let them go a little too long, but I got gumbo and rice and dogs barking and everything else going on New Year's Eve. But you know what? They're still going to be good. They're not overcooked so much it will be bad. And I'll show you what they look like once they're out of the pan, and we're going to taste test them. All right, I'm gonna serve up some shrimp and andouille filet gumbo. Get some of that in there. I'm gonna need a bigger bowl than this. That's just all there is to it. And get a little more of that good broth. All right. All right, I got 4 of them. Going on my plate. A few green onion tops. Put some of that gumbo filet on it. Do it right up, just like that. Got four of those shrimp. Happy New Year, and if you're from Louisiana, you can tell me what's missing. That's right, the potato salad. All right, I'm gonna test this one right here. Put the whole thing in my mouth. That's good. Third time I've done that recipe with that lemon pepper garlic rub. And all you need is some butter and some lemon juice. Easy to do. And if you don't have that shrimp pan, you can use a cast iron skillet, just stir them around. Woo! Give them to me, gotta give me something to drink here. All right, and I got some filet gumbo, some shrimp and andouille filet gumbo to eat. All right. It's not about the gumbo recipe, but I got a lot of gumbo recipes. If you look below in the link below, I've got my Louisiana recipes playlist. Got lots of gumbo recipes in that. It's basically the same thing, except I use shrimp stock, shrimp, and andouille, all right? Taste this gumbo, y'all. That's good out there on tea. Hey, want to say Happy New Year once again, all right? That is Feliz Año Nuevo, all right? O Bon Ami.